Hey, it's Jude with JASPR Made. I'm out here taking some pictures of our backpack for our website and our social medias, and I thought it would be a perfect day to show you exactly how to measure your torso so that you can successfully sew this bag and size it properly to your height. All you're gonna need for this is a piece of string and some kind of tape measure or ruler that goes above 20 inches, just in case you're really tall. It's a very simple process. All you're gonna do is pull your tape measure out to pass the 22-inch mark and set that aside. Now grab your string and stand up. All right, take your string and pinch it in 2 fingers, just like this. Now what we're gonna do is look straight down and find the vertebrae that extends when we do that. Mine is right here, right behind this collar. Now with your other hand, find your hip bone right there and go about the center of your spine where that is. It's right about there. And pinch those 2 spots nice and tight. Just like that, I found my 2 spots, and that right there would be my torso length. So then I take that string and measure it. And there we go, about 19.5-inch torso. Really hope you found that helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a like. It really helps us out. And if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. And if you want to see more of this type of content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.